What's up, everyone? I hope everyone is good. So today I'm gonna talk about price action. So price action is a live price, and for you how to read and how to trade the market only with price action, without indicators, without like resistance in 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, just some resistance in small time frames and just in high time frames. And yeah, I think it will be a very good video for you to improve your strategy and to improve your trading. So stay tuned and follow the video, and I hope everyone enjoyed the video. So see you in the chart. Everyone is doing well. I'm very good too. So drop your comment below to me to know more videos to do if you are interested. And so today I'm gonna talk about price action. Okay, a lot of people know what is price action. Is one of the most important things in market. Okay, is reading the real price. Okay, and trade the levels of price action and don't use like EMAs or indicators. So today I'm gonna show you how I trade price action with my strategy. Okay, so first I'm gonna tell you is I use my strategy and I combine price action with my strategy. Okay, so I have my technical analysis with moving average and some resistance and supports like daily and weekly, and after I put the price action in lower time frames. Nowadays I use the 7 minute time frame. You're gonna ask yourself why 7 minutes. I don't, to be honest, I don't know why. I just figured that out a strategy a few months ago, and that strategy it was like with 7 and 2 minutes. So I apply by myself, and this price action strategy is amazing. So I'm gonna show you how you can find your levels of price action and how you can trade only with price action, because it's possible, of course, but for me it's not possible to trade only price action because I have my main strategy and after I apply the price action. So here, as you can see, we are in the chart of euro dollar. Okay, as you can see, this is the live market. Okay, not replaced anything. So first, I think one very important thing is for you to find like the weekly levels. Okay, because your weekly levels are gonna have like the main structures. So first I'm gonna find like the weekly levels. Okay, and uh, and we're gonna find the weekly, the highs and lows, and daily too. So yeah, they are very important to just to read like the live price action. Okay, don't care about the like other price. Okay, don't care about the past. Just care about the live price action. So let's see how that works. Okay, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I think this is gonna help you a lot to improve your strategy or not. For me, it will help a lot. So maybe I'm gonna help you too. So I'm finding some levels, okay, of structure. As you can see, we have sellers here, we have sellers here, sellers here. So maybe with price make a reversal, price will gonna come here from the buyers to the seller zones. Okay, so I'm looking for other zones, of course. So I'm gonna put here other zone of support. Okay, so I think this is our main zones of resistance and support. Okay, I put when like these ones. Okay, these two ones are like the weekly strongest ones, and this one like two. So I use like the horizontal trend line, and this here I just use like the normal trend line. Okay, so I put a different color to know myself. Okay, this one are the strongest one and this one is the weakness one. So now after you mark your zones in weekly time frame, okay, maybe you can have more zones, but for me I don't have too much because I don't like to be confused by myself. So I just have like the most important levels for me. As you can see, price came here and have buyers, 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 and after we have the breakouts here. Okay, price give a retest and go all the way down to these levels. So I just want to take these levels to be more perfect. Okay, because I know there are a few levels around here, but we don't care too much. Okay, so after we pass through daily time frame. Okay, and of course I'm gonna see two for daily zones. Okay, not so many daily zones. Okay, like a few ones, not too much. Okay, to don't feel confused about yourself and about the charts. So we can put here too. As we can see, price come all the way down here and get buyers. I think this is just a trend. Okay, just a retracement, and price go higher again. We have sellers and sellers in this zone. So if we have a breakout of this zone, maybe we'll run with a retest of this zone to take longs from this zone. But as you can see, we have a massive fake out yesterday, and price came all the way down, stopping all the buyers here. No, all the sellers here, and after it came all the way down, maybe price are gonna come here again to these zones. So maybe I'm gonna put another zone here, okay, because we have two rejections here and price go higher. Like here we have a few rejections and price go higher. So after this, you have your weekly and daily zones, okay. So just the live zones, okay. Don't care about the past, just care about the live price action, okay, because it's price action is not past action, okay. It's price action, live action, okay, not past action. So after that, we pass immediately for 30 minutes, okay. So in 30 minutes is where we're gonna find your like main zones to trade, okay, your day trading trades, and after we're gonna combine with 7 minutes too. But first we're gonna find the 30-minute zones, okay, where you see price have a huge amount of volume, like this zone, okay, like here price get volume to sellers, here got buyers. So we're gonna try to see zones where price get buyers, okay. So maybe this zone, okay, I'm gonna change the color for I understand it is 30 minutes support or resistance. So as you can see here, this is a price action zone where you have a lot of demand of buyers. As you can see, we have one touch, price break above this highs, we have another retest and price go all the way up to our daily zone, okay. This daily zone is from sorry, it's from this past highs. As you can see, one touch, another touch, rejection, price break above, retest and go higher, but makes a fake out, no continue the trend line, okay. So we just care about the live price action. So for you to know like price action, so if this like this level broken, we doesn't care, like if broken, without care, you can delete it because they are levels for daily, okay. They are not so significant levels, they are just levels for you to trade price action in that day, okay. Sometimes they can combine for a few days but not too much. Okay, I forgot a few things. So one thing very important in this strategy is always to find the high and the low of the last day, okay. So for you to know the last high and the last low, they are very important when you have a breakout or a break below. So I advise you to put in your template, save here, save a template, and I put on my high, and after I can clone this one, I'm gonna put here on this low. So because sometimes price when break below these zones, like the high or the low, we have a retest and we can short, or break above and we can have long. Price is very precision in that zones. So I'm gonna put here my low zone, okay? And after we go again to the 30 minutes. So as you can see, look now, I think price is, yeah, price is just supporting here, okay? As you can see here, perfect. Price is supporting the day in a daily low. As you can see, look, price come here to the daily low, have buyers come again to the daily zone, and maybe price will gonna come higher again, or maybe price will gonna break below, have a retest and go all the way down, okay. So yeah, we'll see what price we're gonna do. So after marking these highs, okay, and lows of the past daily time frame, okay. So when the next, so if now the day close, I'm gonna put oh fuck, I'm gonna put like other daily zones, like the tomorrow high and low, okay. Always updating, okay, because we want price actions highs and lows, okay, and live price action, okay. So after marking up like the first 30 minutes, we're gonna look for a very strong lows. As you can see, we have these two both lows and price go all the way up, so they are a very important zone to have a look. As you can see, price come all the way up, okay, no problem, come all the way up, and we're gonna try to find the resistance because price start to going down. We're gonna find the higher too because you want to find the structure. If you are working an uptrend, okay, we are working an uptrend here. We have higher low, we have higher high, higher low, we have higher high, another higher low, and after we have a new higher high, okay. And as you can see, price the trend break here, okay, when you have other higher low, okay, we have a higher low here. So price break the higher high, showing a new trend. As you can see, price came here too. So now the main zones are these highs, okay, and now we have this low, of course, too. And yeah, like as you can see, they are very similar. These lows too from this zone is the lower zone of daily time frame. So after that, we're going to try to find some resistance around these zones to see. So maybe we have this one, okay. As we can see very clear, price come here 2 times and get sellers 2 times. As you can see, price came here go down, price came here making a retest and go all the way down. So we're gonna have just these two zones in the potential because I think they are just the only two zones. And after that, we combine like the 7 minute time frame. Okay. After this, I'm gonna put this here perfect because I like my chart perfect, very clean. I don't like a lot of mess and confusion. So after that, we're gonna here in 7 minutes is where I take my trades. Okay, so now I know we are in a downtrend because we are with higher low, lower low, higher low. So maybe price we're gonna make a new higher low, lower low, and after a new higher low. So first you need to find the trend. Okay, it's very important to make price action, and after that, we are just looking for our, this is the lower zone, okay? This is the daily zone, this is the 30-minute zone. As you can see, we price perfectly, come here, have buys, and after break below, retest, go all the way down. We have another retest here, perfect, and price can go all the way down. So we know this zone, okay, here, like here, is a price action zone, okay? That's a very strong price action zone. So if price come here again, maybe I'm gonna wait to see if price gets sellers again, and maybe I'm gonna short price again here, but I don't like to see price here. I'd like to see price more above these zones because it's showing me the downtrend is respecting, okay? Because here maybe price can break above and we're gonna change to an uptrend, okay? So after marking the 7 minutes, 30 minutes daily and weekly time frame, so your execution will gonna be in 7 minutes, okay? Very easy. So I'm gonna find a few more zones, okay, in 7 minutes because we need to have more zones. Okay, we have here a support zone, okay, not very strong, but we have, as you can see, we have buyers here, and we have here another engulfing candle from the past one, and maybe price will gonna go higher. So for you, for makes sense, maybe you can have buyers here, okay, maybe you can take a long here, okay, to this zone below the last low, okay. So in price action is very good because you can low a lot your risk reward, high your risk reward, okay. So if you trade higher time frames like 30 minutes, we're gonna put maybe your low below this low, okay. But if you trade in 7 minutes and in a lower time frame, you can put just below this low because you know price get buyers here. So if price want to go higher, price will not go break this low, okay. So you can put a very strong risk reward. As you can see, 4.3. Sometimes I got 7, 8. It all depends on the setup, of course. And yeah, so as you can see, we have our like main zones where price get a lot of movement for sellers and buyers. Look here, price come all the way down to this zone. We have buyers from just only from this zone, and sellers and buyers again. So let's combine in 30 minutes just to have a feel look. Okay, as you can see, perfect. Price is working in a downtrend. Okay, so I will not never buy the price here because we are working in a downtrend. Okay, so it will gonna go against my rules because I never I never buy a downtrend. Okay, I just buy bull trends and I just sell bear trends. Okay, that's my rule. Okay, maybe for you it works other times, other things. Sorry. So now I'm gonna maybe have a look if price break this zone. Okay, break this zone and we have a retest like this. If price come all the way down and make a retest here, maybe you can short all the way down to this zone. Okay, so yeah, this is how you trade price action. Okay, I think is not so difficult, and we're gonna improve your strategy, of course. As I told you before, I don't trade price action only. Okay, to be honest, price action is very strong. I'm trading price action for like 6 months now, and my win ratio um, increased a lot, and my risk reward increased a lot too. So maybe these 2 weeks I'm always taking trades like for 5 risk rewards, six risk reward, and yeah, it's improving a lot my strategy. And I think I'm gonna help you too. You can choose other time frame, of course. You can use like 5 or 2, but in my strategy, in this strategy, I show you how it works. Price action here, just work the 7 minutes. Okay, for me, just work the 7 minutes because I just backtest the 7 minutes. So guys, I hope everyone enjoy. Smash that like, tag your friends, drop a comment if you like or not the video, and tell me more ideas for videos because I'm quite new here and sometimes it's very difficult for us to start, and have ideas. So see you in the next video, and thank you so much for supporting me.